Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add cards in your Trello. So let's get started. So the first step is to go to your Trello website and then log into your account. Alright, so once you have logged into your account, on the left hand side you can see this is my workspace. Now all you have to do is click on the board, and here this is our board over here. Click here and you'll see this type of workspace. Alright, so over here you can see the option for add a card. So all you have to do is click over here, and now you have to enter the title for this card. So since this task, so I'm just going to write a task. Alright, now all you have to do is click on add card, and you can do some various editings over here. You can edit labels and give it some labels as well. Yeah, so that is how you can add a card. You can even give it some covers.